اوكي شوف شباب we start with a new this step we'll do it once فقط. After this you will not use it. You will always open your template file and you will use it. Okay? You see here you don't have any extension. I go to internet to Explorer, go to view, you have home, share, etc. You go to view and check file name extensions. Okay, so if you check this one, you will see that your files would appear with their extension. A drawing template file have always an extension DWT for template. Okay, in many softwares it is like this. This is a standard given by Autodesk, by Autocad, but it is adopted by ArcGIS, by QGIS, by many other softwares. دايما الاكستنشن template بيضيف لها T. Okay, drawing G, DWG, because it's a graphic. Okay, so we go to AutoCAD template and we will take not ACAD DWT because it is in inch, but we will take ACAD ISO, which is metric. This is, you can take ACAD DWT and change the dimensions in centimeter, but you will have a problem when you are printing. Okay. Okay. Now ACAD ISO DWT. Okay. No, the classical one. The 3D is 4D. ACAD ISO DWT. So now if you do this, you save this file as, I will save it as a template file. I will call it, I will go here, and I don't want to keep it drawing. I will change here and go to AutoCAD drawing template, DWT. Okay, I take this one and I will call it CA 210. Okay, I can put it here. I can put it here. I'm recording. After you will see the video and details. Okay, you can save it on the root مباشرة على template. Okay, or you can go to AutoCAD template and save it here. Okay, and I save it, and I would use it, save all in metric, etc. In the standard, I prefer not showing the grid. Okay. In the units, by default, we can keep them in centimeter because in general drawing used in civil or in architectural drawing are in centimeters, but you can change them. It's not a problem because you will open your template, choose the right units, change your units to the right ones, and save it as a drawing. Okay, so units. Okay, here you have to change it to 4. Here, maybe you keep 3, or it is centimeter. If I find that it is millimeter here, you will get 0 in the scoring method. Okay, so now for the limits or units, it is always something changeable. Variable. It is variable. It depends on the size of your drawing. So, مبدئيا, for the limits, I can keep something like 420 to 297, which is an A3 size. This is an A3 size. A4 297 by 210. So? Now, the limits we don't need to do it. Look, this is a drawing template file. It's a template file, okay? Because after when you will open this, you will save as DWG file. The work should be always in DWG, okay? The template is used as the format your company or in your high school or in university you are using. يعني هو اللي تستعمله شركتك، يعني دار الهندسه او الشركات اللي موجوده، مكاتب الدراسات اللي موجوده او الشركات العقاريه، كل شركه بتلقى عندها ستاندرد تمبلتس مع مثلا هنا اللايرز. Layer by default in this project will create a layer called main underscore with the underscore, صح؟ It's main. I will send you the PDF file. Main drawing. Okay, this one. Home. Keep it like this. Okay, this is your main drawing. I copy paste. I'm not needing to write everything. Oops, it doesn't work. Okay, main drawing. Main drawing, and in this main drawing, don't shut down the plot because you will not print anything. Many of you have shut it down the printer. The color, keep it white, it means it will be printed in black. The line is continuous line because you will draw the boundary of it. The weight, in this case, 0.5. Yeah, 0.5. In this exercise, you have to read. This is another problem I find in many courses. You need to read in detail what is written in the PDF. It is written 0.5, you use 0.5. It is written 35, you use 0. Don't be careful. Anyway, in this case, we will use 0.35 and I would modify it for the purpose of the exercise. But the default is 0. But you have to take care about this. Made drawing, I will add annotation. Now, if you need other layers, you will add them. If you need to modify the name, for example, this layer, if I want to modify it, I can modify it, etc. Annotation, I will use the magenta. انت تعرف ايش تعمل؟ حط بوز ارجع لاول حصه ارجع حصص اللي تحدثنا عليها. انا مكانك اختار بعض الشباب دروس خصوصيه 50 ريال وبيتزا كل واحد، حتى الحصص اللي فاتت كلها تدارك. شوف اقول لكم وانا اقول له مثله هو مثلكم انتم، ترى كلكم اخوتي وانا اخوتي اتصرف معهم بنفس الطريقه، اخوتي الحقيقيين. اذا فاتك الشيء تدارك الامر، لا تخليها لاخر لحظه. ترى it is like this. there are rules in Islam. ولا تتخيل انت تعمل لنا مثل شو اسمه هو الارنب وبعدين نايم بعدين يجي. لا، اذا فاتتك بعض الامور خاصه شوف بالنسبه للدرون، هذه الحصص كل حصه عليها سكور. يعني مثلا شفت شو اسمه غاب على كل الحصص اللي فاتت، كل الاسايمنتس هذيك اخذ فيها 0. اوكي، so don't play with this. I'm telling you. annotation هو القيم اللي انت هتحط هذه طولها كذا، هذه طولها كذا. I would like نعم، او ممكن او نعم. layer 0 don't ever never draw in the layer 0. It's forbidden to draw in layer 0 and in the layer
0.35 is default.
انت بتتحدث على اسم اللاير ولا على الثيكنس؟ لا هغيرها هنا 0.15. okay, everything millimeter. It is given. شوف انت if you click you will see it 0.15 millimeter. يعني what? I created my layers. These are my layers. Okay, I can change them anytime I want. I can change the thickness. Maybe another layer I would like to create called axis. When you have a circle, or in general mechanical drawing, when you have a circle or a tube or something like this, you have to specify the axis by a cross. So you do axis, and maybe in the color I will choose in this time the green.
Do I have to do it?
Yeah, I put it, and you should delete it if you don't need it. In your project now, if you have something else, or if you have a layer not needed, you have to delete it. Just keep the needed layers. Okay, now you can draw what you want. If you do this, I save it, and I go to my layout. In my layout, the default, no. What? Yeah, I'm saving it. I'm saving.